Hello guys and welcome back. Today I'll show you how to go live on TikTok. Firstly, open your TikTok app, then press the plus button at the bottom center. Beneath the red record button, you'll see a variety of recording options such as templates or effects. Swipe right until you find the live option and then tap on it. A title is essential as it gives viewers a glimpse of your live stream's theme or topic. Keep it short and engaging because TikTok allows about 30 characters for your title. You can customize your live setup by choosing a cover, pick your topic, or apply filters and effects. When you're ready, just tap the Go Live button. TikTok will display a 3-second countdown before your live session begins. And that's it guys. If you don't see the Go Live button, ensure you are 18 years old or older or you have at least 1,000 followers. Thank you for watching and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.